What's up, Budget Babes? It's Linda back again with another video. It's Fabulous Friday and I'm bringing you a short Dollar Tree haul. So if you'd like to see some really cute Halloween decorations, keep on watching. So let's get right into it. So the decorations that I got are actually Day of the Dead decorations or Dia de los Muertos. So just be mindful of that. Most of these are not spooky vibes. They're more for ofrendas. Or Day of the Dead is something very big in my culture where we honor and celebrate our deceased loved ones. So these are little items that I intend on putting on my family altar this year. The first piece is this little sugar skull. I think it is so cute because it's kind of like rocking back and forth. And I just think it's so beautiful with the roses in the eyes. The next items are these really cute wooden cutouts. We have our male and female sugar skull. These are so cute on their own, or you can paint them yourself. The next item that I found was this really large platter. I was so excited that they had this because I actually have the smaller plates that they had last year. So it's gonna be really nice to have the larger plate as well. Plates are really important to have on the altar because this is where we place the food offerings. So this is gonna be really nice to add the pan de muertos, which is bread for the dead. This next thing is super cute and I was so excited. They had the Crafters Square Halloween themed fabrics. They had witches and cats and candy corn and all kinds of things, but I was so excited to find the sugar skulls. So this is how big the fabric is. It's super cute. Dollar Tree fabrics are really nice because they come in different patterns, and I've seen a lot of people use them for various crafts or to make, face masks. So I'm not sure what I'm going to use this for yet, but the design is so pretty. So these next items are super fun. I found these party light bulbs, and I just think these are going to be fabulous for a Halloween party to have. So if you want to set the mood for your Halloween party, definitely get your hands on these. I think that they're really cool, and I think they're a dark purple, so they're going to look really fun. This isn't Halloween themed, I just thought it was fun. This is more Thanksgiving. These are window decals, and I just think this type of thing is so cute. So I just had to get it because I love the little turkey. Lastly, I found these really cute spell books slash boxes. I think these are so fun. So first we have here potions and poisons. This is what it looks like when you open it. Cute. Next one we have is curses and hexes. I love the look of this. Next we have here the spell book, and it has just like a really nice ornate design and a little black widow spider on the cover. And the last one we have here is the Witch's Book of Spells. It looks so cute, and again you have that really nice gold ornate kind of design here. These are going to be fun to use. You can use these as gift boxes if someone has an October birthday. I personally love the whole spooky aesthetic, so I just plan on using this as decor on my vanity to, maybe store some makeup or lashes. Okay guys, so that is all for today's Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Fabulous Friday Halloween haul. As always, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Remember that I upload videos every Tuesday and Friday. Tuesdays are Budget Babe videos and Fridays are Fabulous Friday videos. If you'd like to join the Livin' La Vida Linda family, consider subscribing to my channel. Hit that bell icon if you'd like to get notified every time I upload videos. I thank you guys so much for joining me on today's Fabulous Friday. Enjoy your weekend, and I hope to see you guys on Budget Babe Tuesday. Bye guys.